guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5375P. This is a 2018 Ford Transit cargo van with 201 for King. This one's nicely equipped as well. Got vinyl floor, vinyl seats, nice and easy to keep clean. Dash, everything looks pretty good. Back, we've got a workbench here. Also got some vertical storage here. These put the individual little pull-out trays or parts bins there. Shelving on both drivers and passenger side. Bed slide here. Pull out the saw or whatever else you might be lugging around. So this is a mid-roof, mid-length model. So we've got 11 feet from the bulkhead to the back doors, and then 5.5 feet of interior height. So there's some tank storage down here, some workbench in here with a little shelf up top. Again, shelving all the way down here. Additional workbench in here, and then again that storage in there. So lots of room to work on the inside of the van. Definitely nice to be outside of the alleys. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt, and cruise. Again, nicely outfitted. It's a good length and height combo. Lots of shelving and work storage inside. Something like this would make a great addition to your service or refrigeration fleet. Again, stock number 5375, a 2018 Ford Transit.